क्या आप जानते हैं भारत में एक ऐसी जगह भी है जिसे बागी बलिया कहा जाता है। एक ऐसी धरती जिसने अंग्रेजों को खुली चुनौती दी थी। आज हम जानेंगे बलिया की बहादुरी, संस्कृति और असली पहचान के बारे में। सीखिए इस जिले के बारे में और साथ साथ अपनी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी भी बढ़ाइए। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। वेलकम टू बलिया, a land of courage, culture and hidden story. Located in eastern Uttar Pradesh, Ballia is not just a district, it is known as the rebel land of India. Let's discover Ballia in just some minutes. To truly understand Ballia, we must go back to the time of India's independence movement. Ballia earned the title of Baghi Ballia, Rebel Ballia, during the Quit India movement of 1942. Under the leadership of Chittu Pandey, the people of Ballia declared independence from British rule for a short period. This act made Ballia a symbol of bravery and patriotism. From its heroic past, let's now understand where Ballia is located. Ballia is situated in the easternmost part of Uttar Pradesh, near the border of Bihar. It lies between the holy river Ganga and Ghagra, making the land fertile and suitable for agriculture. The region experiences hot summer, pleasant winter, and monsoon rains. After knowing its location, let's explore the flavor of Ballia. Ballia offers a simple yet delicious taste of traditional North Indian cuisine. Popular food include litti chokha, dal roti, and seasonal vegetables. Sweets like peda and khoya biscuits are loved by local. Street food also plays an important role, bringing authentic village flavor to life. From food, let's move to the culture richness of Ballia. The culture of Ballia reflected simplicity, tradition, and strong values. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Chhath Puja are celebrated with great devotion. The Bhojpuri language is widely spoken, adding a musical and lively touch to everyday life. Folk music, traditional dresses, and rural lifestyle define the culture identity of Ballia. Now let's explore what tourists can experience here. Though not very commercial, Ballia has several peaceful and meaningful places to visit. Some key attractions include Suraha Tal, a beautiful lake and bird watching spot; Baleshwar Nath Temple, a sacred religious site; Dadri Mela, a famous fair showcasing local culture. This palace reflects the calm and spiritual side of Ballia. After exploring all this, what makes Ballia truly special? Conclusion: Ballia is not just a district, it is a symbol of bravery, tradition, and simplicity. From its powerful history to its rich culture and peaceful environment, Ballia offers a unique experience. If you want to explore the real spirit of rural India, Ballia is definitely worth discovering. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and explore more and on my